Okay, did you know that Dollar Tree right now, okay, well, it is actually not right now, today is the day after Christmas. 50% off. Yes! Okay, after Christmas, 50% off clearance, decor, all right, 50% off. So, child, if you're a person and you say you want to get some Christmas items for next year, all right, child, Dollar Tree ain't playing. And I showed you guys the Valentine. Oh, child. Okay, so the 50% is like the LED projector lights, like these items over here, okay, these little decorative bells, whatever is like the decor for Christmas, okay, Dollar Tree will have it for 50% off starting Thursday, all right? So, I don't know if that matters to you or not, but if you are a Christmas tree-ish, a Christmas in the spirit type individual, okay, and you like, you know what, 50% off isn't bad, child, and this video is for you, okay, all right. So it's also going to be 50% off the candy as well, like these Smarties. I don't know if it's going to be hardly any left, because child, all right, or maybe it will, all right. What we have today, tomorrow, Dollar Tree. Oh, and you guys know Dollar Tree is closed tomorrow, right? So, honey, you could come up and act like you forgot. Okay, all right. Dollar Tree will be closed tomorrow. So these items as well, they will have the 50% off as well starting Thursday. The stockings. Oh, I didn't know they brought these big with the initials. Oh, this just us. Honey, S is for strong and smart. All right. So they still have, you know, quite a bit of Christmas items. All right. And remember that they close tomorrow, so they should still have like a good amount of items that's left. They got these canisters up here, and then the ornament hooks you can have for next year. So instead of, you know, rushing and busting and stuff like that, honey, you can just buy this stuff 50% on Thursday. Okay, so if you're a person, you are still looking to buy some items for Christmas. Okay, Christmas is tomorrow, you guys know. Dollar Tree, they still have some toys and stuff that you can purchase today. All right. Breakfast play set. I think they're so cute. Okay, they also have the tea play set over here, the cookie play set with the cutters. Really nice. Those are $5. And then they also have the toasters, which is $5. If you are a person that's looking for rags, okay, I love these rags, like 20-pack rags, because after you use them, you can toss them, right? Or you can rewash them, whatever. What you do, what works for you, okay? But these are $5. Oh, okay. All right, I like the multicolors. Which one you guys like? I don't like the plain white ones, because, you know, if you got multiple people in the house, you're getting confused with David. Child, that's just too much, okay? Now, these, I like these. So, I'm really in here to get some foil pens. And foil pens, I think that's pretty much it. Just foil pens. And I showed you guys the Freeman items that they have right now, the mask. Okay, so they have the Freeman mask, Sleepy Time Whip mask. All right. All of these masks, they have $1.25. This New Year's hat is really cute. This is $1.25. This is cute. cute. Honey, I like the red. Honey, the red is okay with me. With that silver tail, you'll be moving and grooving. Okay, so if you guys are looking for New Year's items like decor and stuff like that, Dollar Tree still have some. The 2 beginner party kit, $1.25. The 2 banners with the gold and black, which is really, really cool, $1.25. They also have these trumpets, 6 trumpets for $1.25. They have the beads, the 5 beaded necklace, $1.25. Oh, they had the shot shot cups with the necklace. But honey, I guess they done brought them up, okay? They also have the headbands. This is nice. 4 headbands, let's party. I know that's right. Then they also have the party poppers over here. 1 party popper, the silver. You know, normally I'm a gold girl, but this silver, I don't know about that. The silver got the gold beat for its money, okay? They also have these bigger champagne poppers over here for decor. Really, really cute. They also have these hats over here, $1.25. And then they also have the smaller hats, the party hats. These are really, really cute to put like on your party table. Very, very nice. Okay, so Dollar Tree has these happy birthday glasses right here. These are really, really cute, $1.25. Then they also have these mugs over here with the initials. I always like these. And then these gray and white plates, which I think are really, really cute. And then they also have the silver trays. I don't know if you say trays or plates. Which one is this? Hold on. Okay, yeah, so these are plates, which is, honey, them some big plates, okay, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have these 5-gallon, 10-gallon totes over here that comes in different colors. They have the gray, the clear with the lids. The lids is red, green, gray. Okay, and I think these are really, really good. These are $5 though. I had showed you guys yesterday the small baskets, which are $3. And then they also have some clear totes. Don't forget your lid, which are $5. These are really, really good, especially like after the holidays and stuff, as though you can put all your decor and everything in here. All right, so remember what I said also about the decor, right? The Christmas decor that'll be 50% off starting Thursday, this Thursday. These decorative bowls, okay? Now, I'm quite sure they're going to have a few of these left. And they'll be 50% off. So that is an amazing steal deal like Holyfield. So I had seen these a few weeks ago, but I didn't see these today until something said, Dina, turn around. So Dollar Tree, they have these fuzzy friends, which are $5. I think these are so cute, especially disseminating your inner child. Honey, I believe in my inner child, okay? If you don't connect to your inner child, honey, that's where the creativity is. Now, Dollar Tree also have some more items like this Boars float on air, $5. They also have the luggage case set, which is $5 as well. And then the mixed slime powder and water at Daz and Cool mix-ins, which is $5, 40 pieces. Let me know in the comment section if you have your children playing with the slime. Honey, the slime in my house is a no-go, okay? Then they also have the dart shooters set, which is $5. My youngest daughter Amani came in last week. I think it was her and her brother, my youngest son, both came in here. And Amani had money, okay? She had, I think, like $40 on her. And she had brought the dart shooter because my youngest son wanted it. My youngest son is older than her, okay? But I say my youngest children because the truth of the matter, I have 4, okay? But anywho, so Amani, she had $40 and you know, she felt like a big baller, shot caller. And she was telling my son, our brother, like, pick out what you want. So he went and picked out the dart shooter set, which is $5. And she purchased it like nobody business, you know, like the baller she is, okay? Got home and started complaining about a week later. Like, yeah, all my money is gone because you wanted their dart shooter, telling her brother. I said, oh my goodness, girl, you the one who purchased it and told them to get it. All right. All right. So this is really, really cool. This puts me in the mind of the Nerf guns. Years ago, me and my children, we would have like a Nerf gun fight, like in the morning. It was so, so cool. So if you are looking for creative things to do, this is really, really good. Dollar Tree also have the 1 dozen roses. These are $3, and this is the only color I think they, oh no, they also have white as well. I never really cared for the artificial, like roses and stuff like that. When it comes to roses and stuff, I always like the real thing, right? Now, it's some things that I get that's like artificial, but when it comes to like roses and stuff, All right, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until next time, peace.